Okay, if you don't know me, my name is Timitainer. I'm a content creator living in Canada. And for those of you that know me already, thanks for coming back. For those of you that are new, welcome to the family. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and wait for my updates.
Go and sit down.
Okay, so today I'll be talking about how I got my permanent residency card in about 7 weeks after I landed in Canada. Alright, so let's go guys and do the unboxing of that envelope. Let's go.
Congratulations, you are now a permanent resident of Canada, so welcome to Canada.
Hey!
Oh my God! Wow!
Okay, so I came into this beautiful country about 7 weeks ago, yeah. And after when you come in as a permanent resident, of course you're given a COPR, that's confirmation of permanent residency. It's like a document, like a long paper that has you're a permanent resident, blah 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 and all that. But being a permanent resident is beyond that. There is also another document, which is the permanent residency card, which is which kind of permanentizes which kind of permanentizes your permanent residency. The thing is, when you come in as a permanent residency, you have just that COPR and your passport from wherever you're coming from, right? But if you need to travel out of the country, like if you need to leave Canada and you need to come back, you're still going to have to get a visa, right? I think it's called a transit visa or something, as opposed to when you have like maybe your permanent residency card, that with that you can travel in and out. All you just need to do is just show the permanent residency card. Yeah. So after landing, if I remember well, after border control is immigration, I was told to fill in my details. I've heard people say their card hasn't come in time and all that, but mine came in like 7 weeks.
Oh my God! Wow!
And I have it here, which I'm going to unbox. So I think the only thing I did at immigration was I remember the lady asking me the card will come in 2 months. I should put down my address of where I want it sent to, and apart from that, like 1 month into that, the only thing I think I remember doing was I also reported my landing to my province. That is like, you need to like just let them know that this person will not say me come, like this person you said should come has come, and okay, this person you said should come to your province.
You are that guy.
Has arrived, and the person is now around. So that was the only thing I had to do. I just went to the province's website and I did report your landing. So I just did report your landing. I put in my name, put in my address, my phone number, my Canadian phone number, and that was all I remember I did after. I'm not sure if that's why it came a little bit faster, but I think that's the only thing I did after that. So, and in the 7th week or 6th to 7th week, when I checked the post office box, this was there. So I'm highly excited. If I want to go to anywhere, I just need to take this card. I can go to anywhere in the country. I just need to report this, show this at the airport, go in, come out. That's all.
Go and sit down.
So I'm going to unbox it and let's see what we got inside here. So of course, yeah, it shows from here I can see it shows the processing center. I can see case processing center, PO box, blah blah blah, PRC PO box something Sydney. Sydney. And it has my name, of course, my name, my address, and the postal code. So let's open it. You know, for good reasons. Yeah, my process has been really fast. You know, thanks to God. Everything just working in my favor. You know, and I'm gonna open this. I don't like shredding envelopes, so I'm just gonna open it carefully as much as I can, if I can. And yes, that will be it. So let's see what we have inside. I'm not a fan of ripping envelopes, so wait. And by the way, please watch the ads. Help me, help us make money, you know. And if there's any other content Canada related, don't bring green, white, green, Canada related that you want me to drop.
Why, man?
I'm ready. Just ask me and I'll look into it. You know, so okay. You know, and one thing I've noticed about the Canadians is, or Canada in general, is they are very patriotic about their flag. You see their flag everywhere, everything. See? So now I'm gonna open it and let's see what we have inside. I've been stalling on making this video because of I wanted to do unboxing, so I've removed it from the envelope. This is the envelope. You see it? You see it? Canada. It put Canada everywhere. Canada post, Canada flag, Canada everything. Okay, immigration, refugees and citizenship. Canada's immigration, refugees, and they are bilingual, so English and French. I can see them. Okay, the card is inside here. I can feel it. Aww. I can feel it. And of course, they put this. Oh my God! These people, they sabi better person. Not like some people. Not like some people. Not like some people.
Are you normal?
He said, "See the first thing they wrote. Opening it, see the first thing. Can you see it? I'll put it there. Thank you for choosing Canada." Hey! Bust my head. They're even thanking me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for choosing Canada. Now that you're a permanent resident, you have access to free services. Oh my God. These free services can help you, 1, find a place to live, 2, take classes to learn English or French or improve your language skills, 3, search for a job, 4, register your children for childcare or school. So children get free childcare and schooling here.
Jesus is Lord.
We move. Go to Canada.ca/newcomer-services for the full list of services near you. Travel journal. Keep track of your travel dates when you apply to renew your permanent residency card or for Canadian citizenship. Don't mind me. You must be able to provide details of your international travel for up to 5 years. Okay, I'm just checking to see if my audio is recording. Travel journal. Okay, use this travel journal to record the dates of all trips outside of Canada, including including same. I take it again. I apologize. Use this travel journal to record the dates of all trips outside of Canada, including same-day trips to the United States. So if I want to go to the US, I can put time, record them too. No wala.
Okay.
The travel journal is not recorded when submitting an application. See, okay, I think I can show you this. So basically, this is what it looks like. It's just a document, you know, that has a travel journal at the bottom. You know, that one's just to keep track of your travel. You know, and then. The big man. I will not show you. It's personal, confidential information. Why we should? Hey, see my hair. Oh my God. I don't see the cat. Okay. Damn, this card is so effing beautiful. Huh? Okay, it says enclosed is your permanent residency card. Ensure you carry it when you travel abroad, since you'll be asked to show this card when entering Canada. When entering Canada using a commercial carrier, plane, train, bus, and boat. Please destroy your old PR card even if its expiry date has not passed.
Did you live in America? Because the accent is too much for my ear. What did too much? Every time, real.
It's your responsibility to ensure that your permanent residency card is still valid when you return from travel outside Canada. And to apply for a new PR card before your current card expires, the expiry date is shown on the front of the PR card. For more information, visit the website Canada, www.canada/blah. Yeah. So, don't mind me that I'm looking a little bit scruffy. This place, you have to, everything is booking. I've not had time to go and cut my hair and to look fresh up. Even though I know I look fresh, but I can't be fresher.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You know, once I do that haircut now, bam, Mr. Ward. Anyways, that's a distraction. So that's all. Basically, that's all I have here, and the card. I will just show you what it looks like. I'll show you. You want to see it? Okay, hold on. And of course, they put the French version. Any idea?
This man, they don't need to be pity.
Okay, before I show you the card, let me read what it says at the back. About the permanent resident card. The information on your permanent resident card is taken from the information of your confirmation of permanent residence, or your record of landing. In some cases, the information printed on the PR card include changes made by you and authorized by Immigration, Refugees, Canada, Citizenship Canada, IRCC. If there is a mistake in this information, please visit our website, put the website for instructions on how to have your card correctly. It is not possible to print more than 28 characters for the given name. My name long though. Say it there. It did.
If you didn't dare, you didn't dare.
It's not possible to print more than 28 characters for the given name and 28 characters for the last name on the PR card. If your name is longer, the name appearing on the PR card will be shortened. This is not an error, and you do not need to take an action. To maintain your PR status, you must comply with the requirements of the Immigration and Refugee Protection Act and any conditions imposed under the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulation. Section 28 of the Act requires that PR be physically, now listen to this, if you know you want to be here as a PR, listen to this. Am I right?
To be very realistic, I do not like to lie. I don't know.
Requires that PR be physically present in Canada for a minimum of 730 days in every 5-year period. So that means you must be in Canada, even if you decide to go in and come out and all of that. Within a 5-year period, you must be in Canada for at least 730 days. You may also satisfy your residency obligation as specified in the regulations. If you are outside Canada and employed on a full-time basis by one of the following: a Canadian business, the Public Service of Canada, the Public Service of a province or territory. 2, a Canadian citizen who is your spouse or common law partner, a Canadian citizen who is your parent if you are a child, or C, accompanying a PR who is employed on a full-time basis by one of the following: Canadian business, the Public Service of Canada, like I got on this news, the Public Service of Canada, the Public Service of a province or territory, and who is either 1, your spouse or common law partner, your parent if you are a child. If your PR card is stolen or lost in Canada, visit our website at www.canada.ca/en/immigration-business website blah for instruction.
Oh my days, you are more worried into your low.
If the loss or theft occurs outside of Canada, report it to the closest Canadian visa office. You may present your card to other organizations as confirmation for your PR status. So if, for example, you're working, of course, or you need employment at a new place or whatever, you can, instead of using your COPR, right? You use your PR card. The personal information you provide to the IRCC is protected under the Privacy Act. If you need a copy of the personal information you provided, you can make a request from it from the IRCC. For details and information please visit our website on www.canada.CE/EN/services/immigration-services.html. We recommend you keep this information paid for future reference, no problem. This one has many, I know they go anywhere. Alright, in any, in Lekorede, Lati, Ile-Ise, Timitainer, TV. Listen, bye. Right now, that's all the information I have here, and now the PR card. The card is affixed. I cannot, no let me. So I'm gonna have to stick it out first. The card is fine. I can't even lie to you. Damn. The card is too fine. Okay, I think. Can I show you this one? Okay, don't worry. You see how? Can you see it? Can you see it? Says I'm fine. Oh my god.
I can't even express my feelings. Whoa.
The card is fine. I can't even lie to you. There's one other part of the card that is so beautiful. Damn. The card is fine. Can I show you this? The card is fine. Fine. Very beautiful. They put their signature, maple leaf. So it has my name. It has my ID number. It has sex. It has nationality. It has date of birth. It has expiry. And at the back, it has place of landing. That's, where you came in through the airport. And if now ship carry you come, the seaport. Then it has the dates when PR since. Then the dates, of course, that's the date you came in also, right? Yeah. Then your eye color brown. Aww. Your height. And the country of birth. Then it has some codes behind it. God, this card is too effing beautiful. But I begin to want. Don't let me talk about that. But let me just say,
I don't want peace.
I begin to wonder why it takes those people. That card, they call it NI. Why does it take them forever? And even when the card eventually comes out, I requested for mine since 2008.
Oh my god.
And before I left that place, I did not get it. I was still using that nonsense, useless slip. I even laminated one version.
God have mercy upon us.
Wow. You can do better. Card. And that card is not even as beautiful as this.
Emotional damage.
See fine card like this. 7 weeks, you don't land. Anyways, I'm super excited as always, and the journey in Canada, trust me, has been beautiful. Since I landed, it's been beautiful. This is my very first vlog since I landed. I've been doing snaps and all of that, yeah, but this is like my very first vlog. So if you need me to do any content on anything Canada related, and my own message, I'm not like all those. I don't know where all those people come from. If you want to jackpot.
My nigga.
The grass is greener on the other side. It might not be greener for everybody, but for you, you can make it work. It can happen. Be focused, be positive, be optimistic, and if you know you want value for life, or you want a better life, trust me, Nigeria. Hey, I said I wasn't going to mention these people's name.
Let's have it.
Yeah, because I know it's my eyes during NSAS. I know what I went through during and after NSAS. People were, we'll get back to that. So if you want a better life and you think you can get it here, the opportunities are endless, very endless, and there's value for life. There's peace. The first week I came, I'll still do a vlog on all. The very first week I came, I was telling myself, this place is too peaceful.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Like, it's just it's world apart. I kept telling myself, this place is too peaceful. This place is too peaceful. If anybody asks, it's again, this place, not like it's too peaceful, but like like giving that perspective from where I was coming from, right? Like the contrast is there. Like I feel value for life. I feel safe. I feel there's a system that works. If you are a sane person in Nigeria, I said that one.
Let's have it.
If you are a sane person, like if you are a decent person in Nigeria, if you are someone that is sane, that tries to be sane, that tries to be decent, that tries to, follow the rule of law and all that, trust me, it will be easy for you to adapt here. But in that place, even if you try to be sane, you must have Chris on the side, because anybody if you carry Chris come your side anytime.
You don't know why it's going on.
Like I can pull my leg on the road and all cars will wait.
That's what I do for you. Hey!
But if you try that one, they will tell you, say, now your papa build road.
It is what it is.
Like, there's a system that works, trust me, honestly. I'm going to talk about that, all that in another video. So, wrapping up, please don't forget to subscribe. Watch my previous videos. You're going to love it. If you need the process, buy my ebook. It's available to buy. The link in the bio, or link in my bio, or link in the comments, or my Instagram, or my website. My website is Timitainer.com. I forgot change out to Timitainer.ca.
Can you fuck off?
Don't worry. So this is me signing out. Thanks for watching the video. I love you all, and see you on the next video. Bye bye. Oh my god, I want to show you again. Like, see, can you fuck off? Alright, bye guys.